Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine asked me about a phrase she had heard Boris Johnson using in a recent political speech. In this speech, he had been asked about what the government was doing to tackle climate change. The honest answer in the UK's case is very little indeed. However, he obviously felt he couldn't admit to this. So he basically waffled on a little bit about the importance of tackling climate change and creating a better future, and the need to move towards a green economy. At this point, he obviously worried that maybe the people that he'd spent the last few years encouraging to hate the idea of environmentalists and environmental activism, maybe those people were getting worried about him. So he then said, "Don't get me wrong, I'm not turning into a bunny hugger." He basically invented this idea of like hugging little rabbits, little bunnies, as a kind of joke to show that I'm not one of these stupid hippie vegetarians who doesn't eat meat or anything. I'm still a real red-blooded male. My student was asking me to explain why he would say all these contradictory, different things. So I pointed out that basically he was just paying lip service to the idea of tackling climate change. If you pay lip service to an idea, you basically say that you agree with it, but you do nothing to support it. So, your boss might say that they're in favour of training and professional development, but then do nothing to provide any of these things for the staff. In other words, they're just paying lip service to the idea of training. Other bosses or companies might pay lip service to the idea of diversity, but then continue hiring people who look and sound exactly like they do. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share the link with your colleagues, your friends, your students. Make sure you click the like button below. It helps us with the algorithm. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear examples of people you've heard paying lip service to an idea that they then do nothing about.